Providing the best possible interactions with customers is of the utmost importance in the fast-paced business world of today. The major cloud-based communications provider, Nextiva, provides its customers with a comprehensive set of functions, one of which is call monitoring, which is an essential component of that offering. But is it possible to actually listen to calls on Nextiva? If so, what are the advantages of using this service for your financial well-being? This video provides an in-depth exploration of the call monitoring features offered by Nextiva, enabling you to make use of these capabilities to enhance your financial performance. One of the most important aspects of Nextiva's call monitoring functionality is its call recording tool. This service will automatically record all of the incoming and outgoing phone calls that your firm receives and makes. These recordings are securely stored on Nextiva's servers for a predefined period, typically 6 months. This recorded archive serves as the foundation for listening back to calls and gaining valuable insights. Nextiva provides a dedicated call recording portal, accessible through a web browser. This user-friendly interface allows authorized personnel to search recordings, easily find specific calls using filters such as date, caller ID, call direction, inbound/outbound, and even keywords mentioned during the conversation. Playback and download. Listen to recordings directly within the portal or download them for offline analysis. Sharing capabilities. Share relevant recordings with team members or managers for training or performance evaluation purposes. Now that we understand how recordings are captured and accessed, let's explore the financial advantages of actively listening to these calls. Nextiva's call monitoring empowers businesses to achieve financial goals in several key ways. Enhanced customer experience. Listening to calls allows you to identify areas for improvement in your customer service interactions. By pinpointing communication gaps or inefficient practices, you can train your team to deliver a more positive customer experience, potentially leading to increased customer satisfaction, loyalty, and repeat business, all translating to a healthier bottom line. Improved sales techniques. Analyze successful sales calls to identify winning sales strategies and coaching points for less experienced team members. This can lead to higher conversion rates, boosting your sales pipeline and revenue generation. Risk management and compliance. Recordings serve as valuable evidence in case of disputes or customer complaints. They also ensure adherence to industry regulations and compliance requirements, potentially avoiding costly fines or legal ramifications. Employee training and development. Utilize call recordings for role-playing exercises and coaching sessions to equip your team with the skills necessary to handle challenging customer interactions effectively. This fosters a more competent workforce, ultimately leading to improved customer satisfaction and potentially reducing customer churn, which can negatively impact revenue. Quality assurance. Regularly monitor calls to ensure your team is adhering to best practices and meeting established performance benchmarks. This proactive approach can identify potential issues early on, allowing for timely corrective measures and safeguarding your financial health. Nextiva's call monitoring capabilities extend beyond simply listening to calls. The platform offers advanced analytics tools that provide valuable data on call metrics, such as average call duration, hold times, and abandoned calls. By analyzing these trends, you can identify areas for improvement in your call center operations, potentially leading to reduced operational costs. Streamline call routing and identify opportunities to optimize staffing levels, potentially leading to cost savings. Improved efficiency. Identify bottlenecks in your call center workflow and implement solutions to improve call handling times and overall efficiency. The financial takeaway, measurable value from call monitoring. Nextiva's call monitoring features are not just another add-on. They represent a strategic investment with a tangible return on investment, ROI. By leveraging these tools effectively, businesses can unlock significant financial benefits. Increased revenue, improved customer experience, enhanced sales techniques, and reduced churn can all lead to a significant boost in revenue generation. Reduced costs. Optimized call center operations and improved efficiency can translate to lower operational costs. Enhanced compliance. Reduced risk of fines and legal issues associated with non-compliance. Improved employee performance. Effective training and development programs can cultivate a more skilled and confident workforce, ultimately benefiting the bottom line. Nextiva's call monitoring capabilities go beyond simply listening to calls. They provide a powerful platform to gain valuable insights, improve customer interactions, optimize operations, and ultimately drive financial success. By actively utilizing these features, businesses can gain a significant competitive edge and ensure long-term financial stability.